everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, where you get a week of outfits, you get PA weather, you get life, and you get a lot of puppies. I'm Laura if you're new. This one is Loki because he's right beside me right now. Do you want to say hi? You gotta say ow. Ow. Say hi. And then we have our Beagle, who is Dexter, and our Jack Russell, which is my son's, who is Willie. So yes, it's all madness. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is Sunday morning, Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms, the aunts, the mom figures, the best friends who are always helping out. I hope you have an amazing Mother's Day. It does look like it's going to be a beautiful day here. It was gorgeous yesterday. It was really cold in the morning, but warmed up to be really nice. And today it's already feeling great at almost 10 o'clock in the morning. I have a very busy week this week. I'm traveling for most of the week to go to a conference in California. So I have not started packing, and I'm not at all organized, so it'll be a mad dash. I leave very, very, very early Tuesday morning, so it'll be a mad dash tomorrow, I think. And for my outfit today, I'm super casual. My son and his girlfriend are going to cook dinner tonight, so I'm going to be home all day. And I have on Vervet denim shorts from a Wantable. I have on a tank from Evereve, and this is the Evereve brand. Dolce Vita sandals from a Trendsend. And then I really didn't put any jewelry on. I just put hoop earrings on since I'm going to be packing, organizing, getting ready for my week, and hopefully full time. All right. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Monday already and time for outfit of the day. Gentlemen, can we behave, please? Loki wants to say hi or has something to say or chew on or do, don't you? Okay. And Willie, not to be ignored. He's here too. So is Dexter, but he's happily chewing on a toy right now. It's another beautiful day. I wish I had taken today off. It is gorgeous outside. 77, getting up to 79. The sun is shining. It is supposed to start raining like later tonight, and it'll rain all week, which for me won't matter. It won't matter except for in the morning tomorrow when I'm trying to park my car and get to the airport, and then when I return Friday. So I leave very, very early tomorrow morning for California, and I'm not packed or haven't started. Still haven't started. My White House Black Market posted today, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was such a good one. I have no boxes this week. I only have shopping hauls for you guys this week, so that'll be nice. I don't have to remember what I kept to share with you while I'm gone. But yes, here's, ow, okay, that hurt, buddy. Here's Dexter. Isn't he the cutest? He's got the cutest face, don't you? You're gonna let people see your face? All right, he just wants to be up with everybody else. So I hope you check out my White House Black Market. Some great transitional pieces to head into summer as well. And for today's outfit, I am dressed casually. I have on cut from the cloth cutoffs from the Evereve store. I have on I'm pretty sure this is Evereve top. Let me look. No, this one is a sanctuary top from the Evereve store. Put a White House Black Market tank on underneath. And then my belt is Loft, and my shoes are Dolce Vita from a Trendsend long time ago. For jewelry, I just put on an Ana Luisa necklace and my bracelet stack, and I'm set for my day. I will catch you bright and early tomorrow morning. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, 4 o'clock in the morning. I've got to get on the road to get to the airport, which is about an hour away. Loki's up, so is Dexter, who just peed on my floor. So I guess I'll clean that up before I go. And let's see, for my outfit, I layered and hopefully picked pieces. If I had to rewear them, I could easily. Cabi crops. I love these jeans. So awesome. I have on an Evereve top from a Trendsend. This is a cute little sweater vest style. And then my Evereve Frankie jacket on top, which I got last year in a Trendsend. You guessed it, my Sanuks, which I find to be the most comfortable shoes ever. my bracelet stack. I have on my Louis necklace and my Annalisa necklace. Put my little hoops back in, and I'm ready, I think. Do you ever feel like you always pack the wrong things? Every time I'm always like, did I pack the right things? And then I get there, I always think I packed the wrong things. So I'm stressing about that at the moment. It'll all work out. All right. I will catch you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. So it is many hours later. So almost 4:30 West Coast time. I left my house at 4:30 East Coast time. And I thought it might be fun to share some extra outfits with you. So it's still the same day for me. I shared my travel outfit with you, and now I'm headed out to a welcome reception. You can let me know how I did. I won't know till I get there whether these outfits actually nailed it or not. But it is a beachside outdoor type of welcome reception for this conference that I'm attending, and I chose a fun pair of pants by Z Supply. You may remember them from last year in a Wantable. Paired it with just a black tank that I got at the Evereve store, and then my Frankie jacket, which I also wore to travel here, also from a Trendsend. And for shoes, swatched up now with a little bit of a kitten heel. I put on my gold Dolce Vitas, and everything else is the same. So all the jewelry is exactly the same. All right, I'm off. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. My Evereve haul posted today, such a good one, check it out. And for outfit of the day today, as I head right out the door, I have on a Loft dress from last year. I actually have on everything but my shoes are from last year. This Loft dress, which I'm in love with, it's a tank style, so pretty. Paired it with this Evereve blazer that I got from in a Trendsend. I went a little casual with the denim, but it's fitted, so I feel like it works out great. And my shoes, do you not love these? Just came in one of my most recent Trendsends that I'm in love with, and so comfortable. Jewelry, I have on the exact same jewelry as yesterday, bracelet stack, necklaces, all the same. I'm headed out. Hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It's a little before 8 in the morning, 59 degrees. It's supposed to get up to 68. I don't think I told you where I am. I am at a conference at the Ritz-Carlton. It's called the Ritz-Carlton Laguna Niguel, which is in Dana Point, Southern California. This is my first visit to Southern California. I have been to the San Francisco area, but I have never been to Southern California, so this is a fun experience for me. Totally picking up all the California vibes. And outside my window, hopefully you can see the water, the palm trees. It's so pretty out there. A little chillier in the morning, but it usually warms up as the day goes on. And for today's outfit, I have on navy pants from Front Door Fashion. I believe these are Kane. And then I have on a Gentle Fawn tank, also from a Front Door Fashion, and then an Ichi blazer that I got in a Wantable. For shoes, I went with the gold, little heel this time. They're by Dolce Vita. And then the same jewelry that I've been wearing, which I actually forgot to put on, so I still put my jewelry on today. And that's a wrap on outfit of the day. Hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It's about a little before 7 in the morning here, 58 degrees, but it feels amazing. I have my door open, I can hear the birds, I can hear the water. It's such a nice morning with my tea that I made, so I'm really enjoying it. And it's my last day here, so I am packed up. I'm going to go to breakfast with a coworker, and then off to the airport we go. It was just gorgeous here, absolutely beautiful. It's cooler in the mornings, and then it gets beautiful in the afternoon. There are always surfers out here in the water all the time. They're ready to catch the next wave, and I'm really digging the California vibes. I'm loving it. I have never been to, I think I said this, but I haven't been to Southern California before. I've only been to the San Francisco area, so this was a really nice change. And let's see, for outfit of the day today, I have on Daze denim. I got these at Nordstrom. I have on a Z Supply tee. You've seen this before that I got in a Front Door Fashion, paired with a Z Supply all day knit. This one is directly from Z Supply. Then I put on my Sanuks, you guessed it. So comfy, and then the same jewelry I've been wearing all week. And that is my outfit. And I will give you a better view of right outside this door. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. All the boys want to say hello. This is Dexter. Here's Loki, who never wants to be left behind. And where is Willie? Come on, buddy. Come on, Will. Come on, buddy. Here's Willie. Come on, bud. There you go. There's the whole gang. Let's see. I have to give a huge shout out to Angela, who sent me this amazing card that was like a custom made card from Hallmark. I love it. And I so appreciate the card, the thoughtfulness, the care, the concern, and she made a donation in Wyatt and Dana's name to her local shelter. So I so appreciate it. So huge, huge thank you to her for that. I loved the card. Just loved it. So it is Saturday noon. So I'm finally up and moving, and it's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon already. So it made it to lunchtime. It took me so much to get home last night. It was crazy. We left California at around 9 a.m. their time. First flight went on time. When we got into Dallas, that's when all the chaos ensued. So I was flying home to Pittsburgh, and my coworker was flying to Philly. Her flight was canceled by the time we landed. So then we were rushing around trying to get her on an alternate flight. Apparently there was bad weather in the Philly and Newark area. They were canceling out all the flights going there. So she ended up having to spend the night in Dallas, and I'm hoping she's close to being home here very soon. So that was long, and then right when I boarded on time, but then there was lightning in the Dallas area, and then we had to sit on the plane for a while. And then when I finally got home to Pittsburgh, there was an amazing amount of construction and congestion that it took me about double the time to get home as it typically does. So happy, hey Loki, happy to finally be home, I can tell you for sure. My Cabi haul posted today, such a good one. Probably my last one for the spring-summer collection, so I hope you check it out. So many pretty, pretty pieces. If you want one, contact your Cabi stylist right away before they're sold out. You can use mine, Lisa, if you don't have one. Such beautiful pieces. And for my final outfit this week, I have on a dress from Cloth & Stone that I got at the Evereve store during their dress sale. Paired it with just a bralette from Aerie. Actually, I really like these. And my shoes are my Gucci slide-on sandals because they're comfy. And my necklace is one that I got when we were in St. Thomas. And that's it for today. It was a lot for me to get up because I didn't get home until probably close to 1 o'clock in the morning. And I was exhausted. And the puppers were all wound up then when I got home. So that's a wrap on outfit of the day this week. I will list all the items down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I'll let you know which box. Can't wait to hear what outfit was your favorite. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.